First-person shooter, except not exactly first person. Go! 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 Cameraman, can't shoot cameraman.
You shoot the cameraman will shoot back.
Is that all your bullets?
I have one more.
You have all your bullets, don't you?
How much?
4? Or no, 5.
Dude, this is... Dude, he still has freaking 4 more, dude. You better be careful with your shot.
You can't reload.
Yeah, no, you can't. No, you can't, dude.
You can't. I have 1 bullet. So?
It's just down to whoever wins.
One shot, you elimination?
Probably not.
If you run out of ammo, you just gotta run. If you run out of ammo, you just gotta run
Till you die. Run till you die. If you run out of ammo. And,
Here, dude. Car.
look at this sexy bush. Humping it. Dude, look at me. Oh, there goes John. Winner plays me, because I'm best, obviously. Dang it. But I bet John Mark will win, so I'm probably going to die. John Mark, go for him. Freaking, he's right here. He's freaking like 20 feet away from you. Take a long shot. That almost hit him. Go around the other way. Go around the other way. Oh!
Did I hit you? Nope.
You didn't even come out.
Nice.
Oh, you hit him!
No, he didn't. I got you.
Winner plays me, John Mark, cameraman.
Yeah, pick up the bullet.
Yeah, pick up the bullets.
I got a kill, bro. Chad, that was a close match. You see me jump over your bullet? Yeah. Dude, I was like, what the kill, JJ? Yes.
Actually, no, not you, but...
What?
No, I'm just kidding. I got y'all on video, yeah.
I got this gun. This is my lucky gun.
Alright. Guys, there's still bullets all over the
Here,
place.
dude, you use a Maverick.
No, dude, I want this gun.
Dude, use the Maverick.
But I want this gun.
It's easier to use.
But, dude, there's still 2 bullets missing.
I know. You can get it.
Give me those 2 bullets! Those 2 bullets are mine! Oh, no, mine are over. Hey, John Mark, cameraman.
Gotcha.
Don't press the red button. And then the time, if the time is
The
past...
thing is still going.
I know. Just keep it going.
Why?
Keep it shut.
No.